Every time you try to focus, you fail. But here's the truth. It's not your willpower, it's your environment. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can improve your focus. And if you watch this video till the end, you'll be able to focus in any environment. Right now, every app on your phone, every tab on your laptop is designed to steal your attention. They don't just distract you, they train your brain to expect instant reward. So when you try to sit and focus on something long-term, studying, building skills, or even just thinking deeply, your brain literally fights back. It whispers, "Why focus? Just check your phone. You'll feel better instantly." This is why focus feels painful. Not because you're weak, but because your mind has been hijacked. I used to think I had zero discipline. Every time I sat down to read, I'd fail. I thought maybe I'm just not cut out for success. But one day I realized it wasn't me. It was the environment I had built. My phone next to me, notifications buzzing, social media tabs always open. I wasn't failing because I was lazy. I was failing because I was setting myself up to lose. Here's the shift. Don't try to fight distraction with willpower. Instead, remove the trigger. Keep your phone in another room while you work. Block distracting sites for just 30 minutes. Start small. Focus for 20 minutes, then rest. When you create an environment where distraction is hard, focus suddenly feels natural. So the next time you fail to focus, remember, it's not your weakness, it's your environment. And if you really want to level up, watch my video on dark confidence next. That's where focus turns into unstoppable power.